discontinued.
Stupid.
Oops.
Samantha.
We only had this 8 seconds recording, and it already fell down.
Look. He looks like a caveman. Caveman.
Oh. He looks.
Who's that?
He looks.
Okay. He looks like he's retarded. He looks like he's crazy. He looks like he's like a dude that's an artist, and he just looks like a caveman. He's just sassy. He looks over him.
Lou looks like the only normal one there.
Yeah.
He looks like the only normal one there. He does.
Look, me, I love Woodrick so much. Mom, you don't even know that. Me. But our love, it's like the wind. I can't see it, but I can feel it.
Oh God.
Our voices.
Okay. My friend was just like,
I haven't said 2 words to him, but I already named our children.
you know what's a pretty girl name that I already made up, which I will? Avery.
Avery?
Yeah, 'cause like, have you seen that dog, the vlog?
No.
One of the girls' name is Avery. I was like, oh my God.
Why it's not even made up?
No, I know it's not made up. I just said that.
I have a reason why I named my child Darcy.
Why?
Because my dad's name starts with a D and A, D-A, which is,
Lucy.
and then
Daniel.
and then my mom's like last 2 letters of her name is C-Y, and then one name.
Right, your mom's name's Lucy?
Yeah, and well, it's Luce, but they call her Lucy. And then one R isn't supposed to be my name, so Darcy. You get it?
Yes.
I love it. Cause I'm not supposed to have 1 letter. I'm not supposed to have 1 R in my name. I have 2. Let's have 1. Now get up. Get your booty up. I'll kick you up.
I'm gonna try to
Testify.
Testify. Okay. Oh, it's gonna go down. Do this. Don't do it. I'm like testifying.
Oh shit, my ball. It's a messed up bed.
I'm going back to my ball.
Nope. You have to go pee again. Get up. I have to go pee.
I feel like I'm sliding down.
Dude,
Hi. We need Princess. You're recording yourself right now. You know, we should record right here. This is like a really good spot. What are you doing?
I'm like,
You threw me on the bed. You're like, that's it. I ended up
you were
being
walking towards you. I was like, what are you doing?
What was I doing?
You were like coming towards me, and I guess you were like didn't want to test it. And I'm like, what are you doing? Testify. And I just pushed you on there.
I was gonna go get Princess.
Imagine a cat and then it just goes down and she pew.
Oh.
Get up, I have to fix this.
We now have to get a fat cat. And record
We
it.
should do this.
Yes, we should.
And we should name it Mittens.
Well, how was I? You pushed me in, and somehow I looked at the camera and I was like this. I was like, oh my god.
Get up, dude. Get up first. No. No. Okay, this time for Get up, you skinny little turd.
Ow, 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 ow. Why did Papa wake up?
She won't listen. I'm like, Princess, she won't move. I think she's dead.
She's not dead.
She's playing dead. Oh, that's where she was. Jump. Put her on there.
Okay.
Make the rest of the bed go down. Aww. She's like, what the hell did y'all do? I want this to go down.
No, I'll sleep on this bed tonight.
No.
I will.
No. I'm scared to pull that thingy down.
Do it. Do it.
No, I'm gonna get my fingers.
Do it.
I'm gonna get my fingers squished.
Do it.
I'm gonna get my fingers
Oh, you
squished.
can't get up. Okay, there you go.
I don't know how to do it. It's gonna break. I think it's gonna break. Oh, good idea.
You didn't do it.
What was that?
Message.
Who are you? Message.
Oh, no. No thank yous. No thank yous. No thank yous. No thank yous. There.
There.
Like there. Screws on both ankles. I'll be okay. Living like a fairy tale. Teach me how, Doug. Teach me how, Doug. Everybody. Oh! What the heck?
Ridiculous. When he left the court, he spoke to national icon approved.
I saved him for this.
Look at my hair. It was perfect.
It was pretty. Pretty ugly.
You know why?
Oh, I'm about to cry.
All I need is a beat that's super
I don't know, I just tightened it and just pulled it up. Princess, she ran off. What the hell are y'all doing?
How do you know that that's how you do it?
I didn't.
You didn't even care about your best friend's safety over here.
Whoa, you're a daredevil.
I left the choke right there. I was like, ah!
He didn't even notice anything. You just there, you're just like, woo, and then this was down.
I was like, I have to go restroom.
Testify.
I have to go
This is a
restroom.
dog leash, by the way.
Wait, go over there. I was like this. Okay, I was like this, trying to go through a song, and also I'm like, what's that?
You had a ducky, slip up in the club. Hey. Okay, so let's put this up again.
My throat hurts.
Get up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Princess. Princess.
No, I'm gonna try it again.
Oh, that's not fun. Okay, stay there, stay there. Stay there. You want me to go down again?
Yes. Wait, we have to record this. You want to go down again? I'm scared now because I know what's gonna happen.
Teach me how to duck. Teach me
I'm scared now. I know what's gonna happen.
how to duck. Teach me how to duck.
Everybody duck it.
Everybody duck it.
Everybody duck it. You ain't messing with my duck it.
Back up.
Aww. You should put it in the middle.
Tell me that now.
Slide it. Slide it. Dumb, what's it?
She got a fan so
There's a Gatorade on the floor.
I wanna run it even if I'm late long. She like you like me, I think she love me, but I change the subject and I do my doggy. All the bros
Slide it.
see the girl I'm with and she ready for possession. I turned off my kick cause I don't wanna hear no fucking Cali, so I got them haters.
That isn't fun. She can't do me nothing.
Make the beat, I just took it out the oven. I just see the dirty when everybody clubbing and they yell CSC.
Let's see.
That was over? Oops. What did I put? Shit. Wait, shit. Shut up. Always remember, you will live, you will love, you will dance again. Ready?
Ready?
Dude, shut up!